Bitcoin Ether rally cools following US Ether ETF listing approval. Ether spot ETF approval would raise expectations. Solana could also be classified as a commodity. Bernstein. Gate.io's Hong Kong affiliate withdraws license application. Crypto icon Kabosu, the Doge meme dog, passes away at 17. Binance Web3 wallet launches simple yield and boosts earnings. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets endured wild swings as traders anxiously awaited a US regulatory decision to list spot-based Ether exchange-traded funds. Ethereum, the second largest crypto by market cap, dropped below the $3,700 post its ETF approval. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how global crypto market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 4% at 85,660 points. In a second landmark decision this year, the United States Securities and Exchange Commission has given the regulatory green light to spot Ether exchange-traded funds in the United States. In a May 23rd filing, the SEC approved the 19B4 filings from VanEck, BlackRock, Fidelity, Grayscale, Franklin Templeton, ARK21 Shares, Invesco Galaxy, and Bitwise, approving the rule changes allowing spot Ether ETFs to be listed and traded on their respective exchanges. The landmark decision came despite speculation that the securities regulator has been investigating whether to label Ether as security. Interestingly, the price of Ether surged 25% between May 20th and May 21st, reaching a 9-week high of $3,840. Ethereum Classic seems to be stealing the spotlight from its sister chain, raking up gains of nearly 9% in the last 24 hours, positioning itself as the market's second best performer. While the 19B4s have been approved, ETF issuers still need the SEC to sign off on their respective S1 registration statements for the spot Ether ETFs to officially begin trading. Industry analysts say this could take days, weeks, or even months. Well, amid the volatile episode, liquidations across all leveraged crypto derivative positions soared to over $350 million during the day, the most since May 1st, CoinGlass data shows. Furthermore, the crypto market awaits a significant event today, the liquidation of over $1 billion in Ethereum options. The introduction of spot Ethereum exchange-traded funds in the United States makes this large contract expiration extremely intriguing. Additionally, contracts for Bitcoin options worth about $1.42 million are also set to expire later in the day. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $2.5 trillion mark, decreasing 3.5% in the last 24 hours. The total trading volume increased by 54% to $148 billion. Interestingly, miners' daily income has dropped from $74.9 million to $36.6 million after the BTC halving. The average monthly miner revenue from fees was less than 5% prior to the halving, but it is currently above 10%, a high level. Moreover, the Middle East is becoming an increasingly viable option because there are often fewer taxes, abundant energy, and less onerous environmental regulations there. Despite enormous liquidations over the last day, Pepecoin has defied predictions from the general market and risen to record levels. Pepe has overtaken Internet Computer Protocol and into the top 20 with a market capitalization that has topped $6 billion. Moreover, Ondo Finance's native token reached a record high of $1.16, 486% higher than its all-time low, reaching a market cap of over $1.5 billion. Ondo Finance, backed by Coinbase, Pantera, and Founders Fund, is a major player in the tokenization industry. US stock futures traded higher following the worst session in more than a year for Dow Jones Industrial Average. Futures tied to the Dow Jones were up by 0.1%, S&P 500 futures rose 0.15%, while Nasdaq 100 futures traded higher by 0.05%. Bitcoin was trading at $66,850, down 4%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 3.7%, trading at $3,660. BNB was down by 3.5% to trade at $591. Solana SOL was down 7.3% and was trading at $164. Cardano's ADA token was down by 5.4% to trade at $0.45. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $37.2, lower 6.5%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 3.4% to trade at $0.70. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 5.5% at $0.15. Shiba Inu was trading down by 6.5%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.52, down by 1.5%. Polkadot was down by 6% to trade at $7.1.
Thanks, Ruchi. And now back to the headlines. Approval of a spot Ether exchange-traded fund in the US will be seen as significant regulatory relief for the crypto sector and raise expectations for ETF's rival SOL to be categorized as a commodity, broker Bernstein said in a research report. The report sent to clients days before the SEC's final deadlines on whether to approve some of the ETF applications said the Biden administration might soften its stance on crypto ahead of November presidential elections, and a potential Trump victory would be broadly positive. The classification of cryptocurrencies as either securities or commodities has far-reaching implications. For instance, ETF applications and approval hinge on the classifications of tokens as commodities. Meanwhile, categorization as a security means a more stringent regulatory oversight by the SEC. Bernstein notes that Bitcoin rallied 75% since the approval of spot ETFs, and it expects similar price action for Ether. Ether's free float and supply looks more attractive than Bitcoin. At 38% of crypto is logged in staking, smart contracts and layer 2 chains, and 66% of ETH supply has not moved in the last 12 months, the report noted. The Hong Kong arm of crypto exchange Gate.io, Gate.hk, is closing its doors and withdrawing its crypto trading license application. Gate.hk urges users to withdraw assets by August 28 as the platform undergoes a major overhaul, halting new registrations and deposits immediately. Token delisting, including major ones like Bitcoin and Ethereum, is set for May 28. The platform, launched in May 2023, withdrew its license application from the Hong Kong Securities and Futures Commission on May 22 without stating the reason. The SFC requires crypto platforms to close by May 31 if they miss the February 29 application deadline. Well, Gate.hk plans to return to the Hong Kong market after obtaining necessary licenses amid other exchanges like HKVAEX linked to Binance shutting down in May and HobbyHK withdrawing its license application again, while the SFC reviews applications from 20 firms including OKX and Crypto.com. Kabosu, the Shiba Inu who captured the hearts of millions as the face of the legendary Doge meme and the DogeCoin meme coin, passed away peacefully on May 24. Kabosu was 17 years old. Kabosu's owner, Atsuko Sato, announced the news in a post on her official blog, expressing her deep gratitude for the love and support shown to Kabosu over the years. Sato explained that there would be a farewell party at Flower Kauri in Kotsu no Mori, Narita City, held for Kabo-chan on May 26. The crypto community and fans of Kabosu have expressed their condolences, sharing tributes and some favorite memories of the dog that became an internet legend. Kabosu's legacy as the face of crypto culture and DogeCoin will continue to symbolize community spirit and inspire future generations of meme culture. Binance introduces a range of innovative features and improvements to its Binance Web3 wallet, aiming to provide users with a seamless and rewarding crypto experience unlike any other. The spotlight of these revolutionary updates shine on the revamped Earn section, which now boasts two innovative subsections: Simple Yield and Yield Plus. With Simple Yield, users can effortlessly earn passive income on their digital assets without navigating the complexities often associated with DeFi. Through protocols like Venus and Aave, earning yield is now just a few clicks away, making financial growth more accessible to all. But the real game changer lies within Yield Plus, where crypto staking and restaking are streamlined to perfection. This special zone equips users with step-by-step guides to maximize annual percentage rate with ease. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on buzzing coins of the day.
Let us have a look at the buzzing crypto watch list for today and the week ahead. First on the list, we have ETHFi. ETHFi, the leading Ethereum restaking protocol, has announced plans to launch a credit card linked to users' restaked Ethereum holdings. Announced on May 23rd, the ETHFi Cash will comprise a Visa credit card integrated with a mobile wallet. Payments are executed either by swapping a portion of users' holdings into USDC or by borrowing a sum of USDC against their ETHFi portfolio. Interest accrued can also be paid down using the rewards earned from users' EETH holdings. Next on the list, we have Ondo Finance. Ondo Finance, backed by Coinbase, Pantera Capital, and Founders Fund, is a major player in the tokenization industry, expected to be worth over trillions in the future. The Ondo token reached a record high of $1.1, which is 486% higher than its all-time low, giving it a market cap of over $1.5 billion. Its primary products are the US dollar yield, also known as USDY, and US Treasuries, with assets of over $249 million and $194 million respectively. Next on the list, we have BNB. The First District Court of Appeals in Florida has ruled the state regulators did not properly block Binance's operations, leading to a significant victory for the crypto exchange. The judges emphasized that Florida regulators did not adequately substantiate their emergency suspension of Binance, with legal authority rendering it invalid. The decision follows Changpeng Zhao's guilty plea to federal finance charges for failing to maintain an effective anti-money laundering program at Binance. The Florida Office of Financial Regulation did not provide sufficient legal justification for suspending the company's Florida affiliate license. Binance's native cryptocurrency BNB has rallied to $631, suggesting it could retest its all-time high of $693. Next on the list, we have Lido DAO. Lido DAO's token price has surged following a security breach involving node operator Numic. The breach, which involved unauthorized access to a developer machine, was resolved by LDO contributors. The price of LDO rose to 40%, indicating investor trust in the company's handling of such situations. Token's value has risen by 34% in the last 24 hours, placing it at the 56th position on CoinMarketCap with a live market capitalization of approximately $2 billion. Next on the list, we have Pepe. Despite massive liquidations over the last day, Pepe coin has defied general market predictions and risen to record levels. Pepe has overtaken Internet Computer Protocol and entered the top 20 with a market capitalization that has topped $6 billion. Additionally, it reached an all-time high on Thursday. Investors are becoming more optimistic about the meme coin's potential advances after Pepe reached a fresh all-time high amid strong selling pressure. In the last 24 hours, Pepe has recorded gains of 5.02%.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.